Come on, dude, pick up the phone, dude, pick up the phone. Dang, yo. Hey, what's up, dude? Hey, man, how you doing? Oh, um, sorry, I didn't see you were on the phone. My bad. Yo, what up, dude? Hell yeah, chill at the bus stop, wait for the bus. Hell yeah. Yeah. Yo, check it out, yo. I'm writing some lyrics, dog. Hot lyrics. I ain't playing around this time. Nah. Yo, I think about going by the name Sledgehammer. Ha yeah, Sledgehammer. Yeah, that's alright. I like it. Sorry. Sorry. Just trying to be nice. People don't appreciate that. Yo, dude. Anyways, yo, you gotta come over, dude. Like this week, yo. You gotta hear some of my lyrics. Right now? Aight. Let me spit it for you. Let me grab something from my archives. Yeah, my files. Yo, aight. Straight in the mic, go psycho, ring it to the bell. What's the mic go ring, ding ding. Step into the. Keep going. Step into the ring. It's what you were gonna say. Step into the ring. Dude, who are you? Way over there. Way over there. Over. I think I'll just. Yo, dude, I'm gonna have to call you back, yo. I'm at the straight up bus stop, yo. Hell yeah, you know the people I'm talking about. Hell yeah. Aight. 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 Ah! I'll see you later. I gotta stop at my grandma's house. Alright, peace. Can't get like 5 minutes apiece, man. Everybody wanna beat me now. Everybody wanna beat me. Everybody wanna beat me. Hey man. You serious though? Hey, you got change for $1? Nah, I don't. Alright, sorry, dude. You don't have to like such a bad attitude. You come back here, I'ma punch you in the throat, straight up. Hello? Yeah, hi, Ma. Yeah, I'll be home soon. Yeah. Alright. Hey, man, did I just hear Indian music? Yo, get the heck out of here. Oh, no, not you, Ma. I was just talking to a friend of mine. Friend? Oh, okay, Ma. I'll see you later. I'll see you. Yo, dog. I'ma straight up knock you in the teeth. Don't come back here. Wait over there. Hey, dude. You serious though? Dude. Look, I know we got. Hey, Sledgehammer? Sledgehammer, was it? Huh. Your name was gonna be anyways, listen, I think it's awesome that we met. It's awesome because I was thinking about doing the same thing, man. Like, you know, writing lyrics and stuff. I was thinking my name could be Plum. You know, Plum. Super sweet. Get it? But I wasn't gonna do like hip hop. I mean, maybe I'll mix a little in, but I was thinking more like Indian music. You know, like you know, maybe mix a little. Maybe we can. Hey, maybe we can do something. Maybe we can like, you know, maybe we could write something. Dude, yo, can let me finish. maybe we can like, maybe you can give me some numbers, and we should hang out. I'll make cheesy mac. That would be like awesome. So, dude, so what do you think? Yo, bounce! What? You don't have to yell in my ear. Bounce! Who are you? Stay away from me. I don't like you. Go away. Over there. Wait over there. Never again. Goodbye. But he wanna freaking beat me, yo. Who the heck is this guy? Dang. Don Johnson over here. Freeze. Oh. I'm Jean-Claude Van Damme. Give me money. Jean-Claude Van Damme. Yo, dude, you just told me who you are. I could like sue you. Not if you're dead. Give me money. Fine, I got like $5 for the bus. Take it. Give me that. Oh, and I'm not Jean-Claude Van Damme. So don't sue me. I lied. Okay. Bison, you're off air. Sue that junk, yo. Nobody else had that voice. Hey, dude. Look, I saw what just happened, and if you need some money, or you need a ride, or I got you, bro. I'm only trying to be nice, Told you I'm gonna punch you in your throat, dude. You don't know me like that. Get the heck up out of here. Your attitude stinks.